As public servants, we are guardians of history. We must also be innovators of the future. So we must think, how do we preserve the past so future generations understand what took place in the past?
We had the opportunity to begin the trail when the Allegheny Valley Land Trust purchased the trail from the railroad. The railroad had decided to suspend service, and so we began the process of developing the trail. It's a 51-mile trail that goes from Brookville all the way down to the Allegheny River, and then we also have a 9-mile spur. And we looked at it as a great economic as well as recreational opportunity for the community. When we first obtained the control of the trail, we had a huge hole in this end of the tunnel in the ceiling. It was about maybe 15 by 20 feet long, and it went up to the top. So that, because the brick is a spring arch formed brick, we were concerned that it would unravel through the rest of the tunnel. We had to do something with it for safety purposes to keep the tunnel open. And keeping the tunnel open is critical because it's at mile 17 of the 42 miles of the main trail. So if we didn't have that, we wouldn't have a complete trail. It's such a beautiful landmark that the cut stone that's in it, the brick arching, the location is just so beautiful that it had to be maintained, otherwise it would have deteriorated. We had a lot of water leakage coming through the ceiling that had to be stabilized because that, over the years, the mortar in the brick had dissolved from the steam engines going through and the chemical analysis, or the chemical reaction of that. The freeze-thaw cycle wore out the mortar, and with the mortar deteriorating, the possibility of more of that brick falling to the ground was a real possibility.
The nice thing about the trails is the people that don't realize what we have in Clarion County, when they travel here, take their bikes and ride the trails, see how beautiful it is, see how much it resembles the 1800s. When you ride the trails, there's not much development along the creeks and the rivers along the trails. You can just imagine yourself, this is pretty much how it was back in the 1800s when the founders first came here. So it gives you a unique experience of seeing what this country looked like a long time ago.